So we're checking out basic strumming with our one-finger chords. These are great chords if you're a beginner and you're just picking up your guitar and learning these because they're all use one finger, hence one-finger chords. This particular one is a one-finger G chord. And the way I'm playing that is I'm just having my third finger here on the first string, third fret, and then the rest of the strings are open. So then it's going to be open second string and open third string. And so I'm going to grab my pick or my finger, and I'm going to grab it on the third string here, and I'm just going to do one stroke down to the ground and try to play all three strings at once. That is the definition of our chord, 3 or more notes played at the same time. And this is a G chord. Now I want you to go ahead and get this memorized. Now, for this exercise, some of you may want to do the full G chord, which we're going to work on down the road. If you want to play that one, that's okay. But for now, we're going to play the one-finger chord, one-finger G chord. Now, when you're playing this, you do not want to play the 6th, 5th, or the 4th strings. You only want to play strings 3, 2, and 1. Notice if you play the other ones. No, not happening. Don't do it. Just play the bottom 3 strings. This exercise is 4 measures long. It plays all whole notes. So that means you're going to strum on beat 1. And you're going to let it ring out for 4 beats. Now notice there's a little symbol over the note, and that is a downstroke. So it almost looks like a backwards U or upside down U. That just means downstroke, so you're strumming towards the ground. All right, let's go ahead and play this with the backing track. 2, ready, and it's 1.